Alright, today we're going to hook up our Mort's flatbed gooseneck equipment trailer to our newly installed B&W turnover kit in the truck and kind of go through that tutorial. So you're going to make sure that the coupler is latched on the ball, and once this is spring loaded down, flip it forward, or you can go backwards so it can't lift out of there and let you lose the load. If you do lose the load, you want to hook up your breakaway switch. That way that cable will apply the brakes on the trailer. Just apply that to the, hook that around the safety chain hook. Next, you grab your safety chains, hook those up to the hooks as well. One on the other side. And lastly, you're going to hook up your lights. Hopefully the truck has a plug in the bed. Otherwise, you can go over the tailgate and into the bumper. It's kind of chilly out and this cord is cold. So there you have it. Your trailer and your truck are hooked up together. You want to do your light test, your pre-trip, and you're ready to rock and roll. You also want to check that the gooseneck is not going to hit your bed and cause damage to the truck or trailer. The front of the trailer, you want to be a little bit higher than the rear of the trailer to compensate for the load when you put it onto the truck with that suspension.